Cyber Heater Review 2025 Legit Space Heater or Overhyped Scam. Honest test. Most people get this wrong by assuming all compact space heaters are either weak or unsafe. The surprising truth is that the Cyber Heater combines efficiency, safety features, and energy-saving design. But is it truly worth it? The Cyber Heater boasts rapid heating with adjustable temperature settings and oscillation. You won't believe how quickly it warms up a small to medium-sized room. Users report noticeable warmth within minutes. The built-in safety features, like tip-over protection and overheat shutdown, are impressive and exceed standard requirements. During testing, the Cyber Heater maintained consistent heat without spikes, which prevents damage to the unit or surroundings. Energy consumption is lower than comparable models, making it suitable for extended use. Some users did note the fan noise is slightly higher on the maximum setting, but it remains quieter than many budget alternatives. In conclusion, the Cyber Heater is a legit, efficient, and safe space heater. Most people get this wrong by assuming compact heaters can't deliver strong heat or reliable safety features, but this model proves otherwise. If you want a fast, dependable heater for your home or office, the Cyber Heater is worth considering.